Okay, second color is going on called Driftwood. Minwax color.
Trying to leave the least amount of bare wood for the cherry color.
Oh, so there's a third color you're gonna
Third
put
color, and
cherry on?
Yeah, it's just the accent.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to see any brush strokes. Or straight edges. Some of it goes over the gray and some of it goes next to the gray.
Nice.
And on the edge I chose to go diagonal to disguise the fact that there's a box frame there of wood that's cut at different angles. So that goes against all of the grains. Actually, it's just being a faux finish completely. And make sure it settles down into all the little divots that you made. You don't want those looking clean in there.